Alright, good morning guys. Back at it again. Now we're going to be doing the injectors. Shane just pulled up, so we're starting early. It's like about 8 o'clock. We're going to get it done today. Alright, so we're pulling out the factory injectors. And we're putting in the new ones. So all I did was basically take the 410mm bolts out, flip the rail without disconnecting it because I don't have that tool to disconnect it, so just do it like that. So here are the 52-pound injectors. They're a little bit shorter, so Hellion gave us the hardware so that the fuel rail will actually sit down lower. So instead of it being like that and it sitting on top, it will now slide down and the fuel rail will sit right about there. Alright, all the new injectors are in, so everything will be bolted back on now. Alright guys, so we got quite a bit of things to do. We're doing the exhaust right now, and we're leaving the top for last and sliding the radiator in last to see all the fitment. But so we'll do the exhaust. What we're gonna do is take, they don't tell you to in the instructions, but this pipe that runs across all this electronic stuff, and also on the other side right here, we're gonna just heat wrap it just to keep the temperatures down near the electronic components like the AC and the alternator and the electrical power steering and all that stuff. So alright guys, so now we're doing we're gonna mount the wastegates. So we got all the hardware here. We got the two lines and the two block off pieces. We're gonna leave those off until we actually mount it up on the exhaust, so that way we can plumb everything properly and have like a nice clean setup. Alright, so we're still working up the exhaust. We got so far the up pipe. Alright, actually coming from the header, coming all the way up the turbo, back down pipe. This side we still gotta do, but this side we ran it down, and the hanger here, and then here goes the wastegate and everything. So it's actually neat, and it's like super crammed in there, so it's like perfect spacing. Alright, so we're still working on the exhaust. We would have been done already, but we actually had to modify this clamp. We couldn't even pinch it hard enough to actually have some thread showing to catch this. So what I had to do is use the angle grinder, and I'll show the rest on this one. So with this clamp, you can see it. I grinded the end of this down. I'll even this one out more, and then where's the cap? Here it is. So I grinded the end of that down, and then I took this cap off originally. Then I put that cap back on. And so it's shorter, and then we can actually catch thread like this one. Alright guys, so we completed the exhaust. The pups are hanging out. Come down. The whole exhaust is all buttoned up, but the wastegates are up. Let me show you guys that. Got the wastegates underneath. We just finished running the vacuum line. So they took the vacuum from right here, teed it off here. These two tee back to the wastegates, and then these two tee to each blow-off valve. Alright guys, so we're gonna call it quits for today. We gotta do the coolant system, so we gotta bleed that, put oil in it, bleed it, do the test drive, make sure everything is fine, but everything is basically in, and then we gotta put the battery in. Yeah, it's talking about me. Hey, what's up, guys? If you guys have been liking the videos I've been putting out, go ahead and like, subscribe. I will be posting more updates on the Mustang build the next time. So until then, see you guys.